This house is much cheaper than your car.
Hello, this is Glamny's A30 capsule house. The length is 5.6 meters and the width is 2.8 meters. The height is 3.1 meters. The total area is 15.7 square meters. All these are aluminum sheets and triple layer tempered glass. If you want to know more, let's go inside. Here is the interior decoration. This is to keep you from the mosquito. And here is the window. And here you could see our sockets. We can meet your standard, that's no problem. All these are aluminum sheet. And look at here. This is our bamboo fiber board. And this one is a little hanger for you to put your clothes. AC already included. And look at here, the buttons are all in your language. If you would like, you could put 2 beds here. Here is the bathroom. A smart toilet is included. And you can see the shower is also included. Look at our design, it's mirror design, so that the whole space will be bigger. And here is the washing basin. All these are top brands in China. And here, it's a closet to put water heater. Yeah, here is a smart mirror.